The scene at the Waibeek Magistrate Court this week was a far cry from the champagne-soaked high life for which Chatunga is notorious, dressed in designer gear that seemed out of place in a stereo dog. Bellarmine and his co-accused 33-year-old bodyguard Tobias Mugabe Matonodze faced a litany of charges: attempted murder, unlawful possession of a firearm, and defeating the ends of justice. Yet the most significant blow to the young Mugabe freedom came not from the shooting itself, but from a folder of documents held by the Department of Home Affairs. Zadabela mashikobdanyi kopangwa na chinzi wai Chatunga Mugabe can't apply for bail, found with fake documents, multiple guns used to shoot Gardner. Do subscribe or like out on the bell icon. This is not the first time Bellarmine Chatunga travel documents have come under scrutiny. City Press obtained records showing that the young Mugabe was previously flagged at Lanseria Airport last year for possessing fraudulent visa documents. Although he was denied entry at the time, he somehow managed to re-enter the country later, raising questions about the permeability of South Africa's borders for the well-connected. In a further twist of irony, Bellarmine reportedly told his lawyers that he could not produce his passport because he had left it at an embassy while applying for a visa, a claim that he has done little to convince the authorities for his legal standing. And the irony is sharp. The family that once ruled Zimbabwe with an irony fist now finds its youngest son trapped in the very legal system his mother once fled, with his illegal status blocking any hope of bail. Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe remains in custody, his fate tied to the missing guns and the testimony of a gardener who was shot in the back. As the case returns to the court on Tuesday, the spotlight remains on the Hyde Park mansion, a gilded cage that has finally failed to protect the Mugabe legacy from the consequences of his own excesses. The investigation continues, with the police still hunting for the weapons that spoke so loudly on the Thursday morning and the truth behind the rituals that allegedly sparked a near-fatal confrontation. Doma developments ari pomrezi papo pina comment section medu zvafungura aima tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.